I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quite so thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic, with this logic, you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic.
I'm built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grieving. Put your foot on the gas, no, never stop competing, yeah. I've been doing this, I'm on it, I just wanna be iconic. Sipping on a gin and tonic, got me going off when I'm on this topic, yeah. If I ever play, I want it, you know that I'm always honest. Stay away from those who are toxic, keep them out your face, no way, you don't want them, yeah.
Don't try to drain my energy, the enemy is everything. It's mentally, unhealthily, spreading like a rare disease. But I won't let it get to me, I don't need your therapy. I can leave a legacy of leading by intensity. Come on, we can fight this, freedom is priceless. Spread just like a virus, living in a crisis. Do you feel courageous? Do you see greatness? Trust me, you can take it, go on and take your aim, yeah.
I'm built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the gas, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grieving. Put your foot on the gas, no, never stop competing, yeah.
Open up a conversation. Really need you cause you keep me out of danger. You're the only one who can keep me safe, you. Who can keep me safe, you. This has got us feeling stranger. If I'm on my mind, girl, you keep me sane, yeah. Even though I know we feel the same pain, yeah. Feel the same pain, yeah. I got a headache. Don't know what I'll say again. I could never ever pretend. Don't really wanna think of the end, no. Break your heart again and hurt different. If you dove in my mind, you would swim deeper and deeper and deeper. Know that I'm awake, but I feel like I'm sleeping. Demons in my head, I can feel that they're creeping. Just know if you come around here, I don't really feel no fear. Just know, my dear, open up a conversation. Really need you cause you keep me out of danger. You're the only one who can keep me safe, yeah. Who can keep me safe, yeah. This has got us feeling stranger. If I'm on my mind, girl, you keep me sane, yeah. Even though I know we feel the same pain, yeah. Feel the same pain, yeah. Try to drown out these emotions. I've been getting too faded on the potions. I get lost in her eyes like the ocean. You know I'm worthy, baby, I'm a boy coasting. I wanna show you everything. If I'm going up, then she coming with me. Ay, anything she want, I got everything she need. I was locked up in a cage, your heart has set me free. So it set me free, yeah, your soul has set me free, yeah. Just know if you come around here, I don't really feel no fear. Just know, my dear, open up a conversation. Really need you cause you keep me out of danger. You're the only one who can keep me safe, yeah. Who can keep me safe, yeah. This has got us feeling stranger. If I'm on my mind, girl, you keep me sane, Even though I know we feel the same pain, yeah. Feel the same pain, yeah.
Bad things happen to good people. None of us were ever really born equal. Only one life, there ain't no sequel. Some people live, others stay fearful. This world ain't never been peaceful. You got good, always butting heads against evil. The good try to be fair, but the bad lethal. They gon' fight dirty, every single one deceitful. Stand up, I wanna see your face. Get your chin up like you belong in this place. We gon' train like you've never trained before. You're going up against something that you can't ignore. This ain't a game, this your life that we're playing with. There ain't no reset button or an off switch. You gotta face your fears, you gotta scratch the itch. You gotta break through the walls and get after it. Only time will tell who's gonna make it. I promise you, I'ma be the one who's gonna take it. I fight, I provide, leaving blood on the pavement. If you're up against me, then you better be praying. Cause I'll keep punching till my knuckles start breaking. I'll keep going through the blood that I'm tasting. I won't stop till they've all seen greatness. The battle for my world just started, I've been waiting. Villains and heroes, only time will tell who will win and who will fail. Villains and heroes, no there ain't no one else. Pick a side or by yourself. I got this, there ain't no going back. Leave it all on the battlefield, push the attack. You can't stop me, I'm obsessive. A lot of people think that I come off aggressive, but I'm just passionate. Why aren't you? Ain't nobody care if you got nothing to lose. You gotta put yourself on the line, make moves. Otherwise you'll be a sheep with the lions watching you. Only time will tell who's gonna make it. I promise you, I'ma be the one who's gonna take it. I fight, I provide, leaving blood on the pavement. If you're up against me, then you better be praying. Cause I'll keep punching till my knuckles start breaking. I'll keep going through the blood that I'm tasting. I won't stop till they've all seen greatness. The battle for my world just started, I've been waiting.